Hey guys, we received these knee braces for test and try. So two-pack knee braces for your knee is a compression sleeves. Can be used by both men and women, and it's like a knee support pad for you. So this is a really nice material. I can see it here. They have this anti-slip skid on the tape on the top, and nice flexible material, and can be used for your knee or do you support your knee. And you can see like it have a stretchy band on the bottom as well. So let me just wear it. So this is are the high elastic one with the silicone in between, streamlined, you know, to fit well, anti-skid on the top. This gives like a nice compression on my knee. I can feel it. You can easily wash it in the machine. And also, I feel it's a little breathable fabric. So this is when I wear it completely. You can see like it fits well. Compression is good. From the back, I'm just giving it a small view. So very nice, nice knee braces.